up, people? It's a Shane and B here, and I'm back with another banger. And today we're gonna be doing opening a mystery box. So I bought one of these off eBay about 2 days ago. It came just this morning, so we're gonna unbox it and see what's inside. So it seems like it's big, but I don't know if this is actually what's inside it. It says Mosh Monsters brush and cap with a sorted character. I doubt that's what's inside it, but let's hope for the best, guys. So I'm gonna start opening it. So we have a knife. Oh, scissors. God. I hope I haven't wasted my money. I swear to God. Okay. Oh, I see something in there. I see something in there. Alright, guys, I'm gonna close my eyes and like. Okay. Oh, okay. Okay.
Okay.
An auto night. What the? Okay, so it's like a. That's for like. So if you put in the lights and you get like a. Okay. Auto night sensor. That's probably worth for like a good £3. Okay. Okay, so I got like a football sort of like kit sort of thing, like a top, extra large, so a bit rude, but I'm not extra. But anyone, you know, top sale. Actually, yeah, let me just open it up and show you guys. I want to look inside the box. So, okay, it's pretty decent. Jesus, bit big for me, but you know. We'll make it fit.
That's what she said.
Okay, decent. Doesn't feel like I really feel like I've already made my £10 back already. Not bad. Okay.
Look at this. Somebody come look at this. Look at this. Somebody come and look at this. Look at.
We got. I don't. Okay. We got. Oh, what the hell? We got a baby suit.
We're not expecting.
Okay, that's probably about £2. That's mad. Okay, then I got. I don't know what. Okay, I got a mouse. Aqua mouse. You know, it's got a little bit of water in it. It's got a plane inside it. It's not bad. Kind of cool, guys. Right? Okay, don't laugh. I feel like I wasted my money already. I don't know. Okay. Got a toothbrush for kids, Moshi Monsters! Moshi Monsters! I told you! One Moshi Monsters will be inside! And I got a Moshi Monster toothbrush. I'm brushing my teeth later on, mate. I probably like £1. I don't even want this stuff anymore. And then I've got... What the hell is this? A nail case. No heat required.
I'll take those.
I've got nail wraps. Anyone want nail wraps? I'll give it to my girlfriend. I don't know. I don't want that. I don't know what this is, but... Finding Dory. Served up to 4 friends, by the way. So we've got a Dory cup set, play area. Oh my god, I feel like I wasted my money already, guys. Fuck it. Then I've got, what the hell is this? Making books. Okay, I don't know what this is. What do you do for this? Okay. Oh, what's this? That's nothing, guys. Okay. Jake's. More just for electrical. Okay, what's this? What the fuck is this? It gave me a lighter! It's for the cooker! I've wasted my money. Shut up, not the point. And then I've got I got a book. Not bad. It's Time Travelers Field Notes Observation. I mean, we have a little bit of a read at night time, but you know, it's pretty decent. It's probably, how much is it worth? This is worth, guess how much this is worth, guys? £13. So I've already made back my money back on one thing. So that's not bad. That's not bad right there. Any money inside? Oh! Okay, no, it's not. Dear reader. Okay, not bad. Anything else? Oh, we still got something else. We got Glam Look Start Conditioner. Didn't give me the shampoo, but you know, I got conditioner. So I think that's it, guys. So yeah. Okay, that's it. So the first thing we got was the auto light sensor, which is for, I guess it's for your lights where you put it in. Don't know. Then we got a baby warmer bodysuit. It's in a milk carton. I don't know why. Don't ask me. This is probably worth around, say, £2. I'm not sure. This is for laminating, I guess. So, £4 maybe. I don't know. I'm just having a wild guess. Nail is things. I don't know what this is for, but manicure, pedicure, same thing.
That's true.
Maybe like £1. So there. We got Moshi Monster's toothbrush. That's probably like £1. So probably made my way back. This is probably like £1 as well. So I've never seen this in my life, but I've never seen that like this in Boots or nothing. But it's a conditioner, no shampoo, you know. This is kind of cool though. This is kind of cool. It's like it's a mouse and it's got like a plane. It's got a plane in it, but it's like underwater. I don't know. So this is worth. Not sure, but at the end of the video, I'll search up how much everything is, and then we'll find out how much we've lost or earned. So that's not bad. So this is probably like £1. Give me a lighter. Maybe I'll take it out after, but you know, it's not bad. That's probably like £1 as well. The Dory cup set. This will probably be like £1 as well from like Poundland. You never know. So we'll find out at the end of the video. The football jersey, probably like, I would probably say like £4 maybe, but we'll find out. But my most prized possession is the book, because it goes for $12.99, so that's not bad. So overall, it was a pretty good box, but I'm a bit disappointed in some of the stuff that I got. Like the baby body thing, I'm not too sure about that one. The book was probably the best out of all of them. Probably not gonna read it, I'm not gonna lie to you. Probably sell it, but it's not a bad box. So that was a £10 worth box. So if you want me to do another one, part 2, I'll probably do like a £20 or £50 box. Obviously, leave it in a comment down below, like and subscribe to my channel, and be back with another banger. Bow. People, you know, that was a £10 mystery box. So the profit that I made was £37.44 if you didn't see inside. So it was really a good mystery box. So obviously I haven't been uploading lately, so I'm gonna try to keep uploading every week from now. Been very busy, so I'm gonna upload every week.